After his eviction from Bigg Boss 19, Baseer Ali has opened up about feeling unfairly treated on the show.
किसी ने मुझे कहा कि अरे आप भी तो जाके लोगों के साथ नहीं बैठते थे। ठीक है, मैं नहीं बैठा, मुझे बाहर निकाल दिया गया। क्या वो लोग बैठ रहे थे लोगों के साथ? तो उन्होंने ऐसे क्या झंडे गाड़ लिए शो में जो उनको अभी तक वहीं पे रखा गया है। नॉमिनेट होने के बाद 6-6 हफ्ते तक नॉमिनेट हो रहे हैं, 5-5 बार नॉमिनेट हो रहे हैं और बिंदास उससे वॉकआउट करके निकल रहे हैं।
In a recent interview, he spoke candidly about his experience and called out Salman Khan and the makers for what he claims was bias against him. Baser questioned why action was not taken against contestant Malti Chahar, who allegedly made comments about his sexuality. He believes the makers should have addressed it during Weekend Kavar. What was Bigg Boss doing about it? It was said on camera, and the clip came out from the Bigg Boss team. What did Salman Khan sir or the makers do about it? Did they not want to address it? Is that fair to me? He also pointed out what he sees as double standards, saying when he criticized a contestant, it became a major issue, while other questionable comments went unaddressed. When I called the contestant quality shit, it was made into a big issue. Farah Khan blasted me for it, and I was looking like the bad guy then. Gaurav had made a comment to Amal that you come from such a reputed family. Pointing towards me, he said, "Ye log to aise hai. Don't we come from good families?" Nobody addressed these situations. It is very evident they don't want to address these things. Also, there was absolutely no guidance given to me. It is unfair on the part of the makers to discard everything that was negatively said about me. Talking about his eviction, Baseer admitted he was in disbelief when he was asked to leave the show. I have learnt the art of acceptance due to the experience from the reality shows I have been a part of. Bigg Boss has taught me a lot. When I got evicted, I was in disbelief for a fraction of a second. The day I was evicted, when I woke up, the house where I spent 63 days felt different. I took it as a sign from God. When I was evicted, I just walked out with a smile. Baseer Ali was evicted during the recent Weekend Kavar and walked out alongside Nehal Churasma. Despite the controversies, he reflected on his journey with gratitude and positivity, taking lessons from his time inside the Bigg Boss house. From feeling unfairly targeted to embracing acceptance, Baseer's Bigg Boss journey has been a mix of challenges, lessons, and self-reflection.